Hello friends, welcome back to session number 4. In today's session we will learn about these, right? सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे walk through the tables which is made, right? So what I have done is, and let me show you. So I have created this database of a college, right? एंड इसमें मैंने जैसे पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, आई क्रिएटेड 4 tables. One is department, right? Second one is HOD, right? Third one is teacher, right? And the last one is students, right? So let me show you. Last one is students, right? So what I will do, I'll just make a small ER diagram, right? So that it is easy for you, right? So the first one is what we discussed, right? It's a college database, right? And department, right? This is the table, right? And in this table, what are the columns, right? Let's see. Department ID, engineering department name, HOD ID, right? Department ID, then engineering department name, and then the last one is HOD ID. Fair enough. अब हम लोग दूसरी टेबल बनाएंगे और वो दूसरी टेबल होगी HOD की. HOD की, right? And इसमें the primary key is HOD ID, then HOD name, and then department ID. HOD ID, department name, and then the last one is HOD name. My apologies. Let me see. I have, yeah, there you go. HOD. This look weird, right? Let me do, which one should I do? This is fine. No, this is fine. HOD name, and then the last one is department ID. Perfect. And now हम 2 tables और बनाएंगे. One is teacher, so टीचर में एक है टीचर आईडी, टीचर नेम और डिपार्टमेंट आईडी. टीचर आईडी, टीचर नेम and department ID. और जो लास्ट है आपका वो स्टूडेंट है, right? And student is having student ID, student name, department ID. Student ID, name, and department ID. Student name and department ID. Okay, so if you see over here, right, now department table is having department ID, HOD ID, right? तो how it is linked, ये इस तरीके से यहाँ से यहाँ link है, right? If you see, this is linked with this one, है ना? And then like of course HOD ID है तो department ID यहाँ से यहाँ पे link है. Fair enough, perfect. And then teacher किस तरीके से linked है? Teacher is linked with the department ID, right? And student is also linked with department ID. So this is the way we have made the ER model. This is very simple ER model, and the main thing for me to tell you here is कि किस तरीके से आपका ER मॉडल बनता कैसे है, या हाउ वी क्रिएट अ रिलेशनशिप, राइट? जस्ट कंसिडर कि ये आपके 4 आइलैंड्स हैं, आइलैंड 1, आइलैंड 2, आइलैंड 3, आइलैंड 4, राइट? And these are the bridges with which you are able to connect, right? If suppose from this island you have to go to this island, right? Maybe there is not a bridge which is connecting these two, so what you have to do, first you have to go to department island, and then from here you have to, sorry, HOD island, this one, and then from here you have to go to student, right? What I have done is I have already created, मैंने ये बना दिया डेटा, and this one मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा whenever I am releasing this video, ठीक है? So what you can do is you can directly take this and you can answer the questions, right? Whatever we teach. Okay, now let's go to, okay, now what we will do is we will try to learn the SQL commands, है ना? So SQL commands, right, these can be broadly classified into number 1, data definition language, जिसमें क्या आता है, एक like first we will create like this, then we will say data manipulation, language, then DCL, data control. Okay, let me do this way, control language. Fourth one, TCL, which is transactional, or I can do transactional control language, and the last one is DQL, data query language, query है ये. अब डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज में क्या क्या आता है, क्रिएट, ड्रॉप, alter, last one is truncate. इसमें क्या क्या आता है डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज में? मैनिपुलेशन का मतलब मैनिपुलेट करना, राइट? इंसर्ट, अपडेट, डिलीट. डेटा कंट्रोल लैंग्वेज, इसको हम लोग DCL भी बोलते हैं. इसमें क्या क्या आ गया? ग्रांट और रिवोक. ओके. TCL ट्रांजैक्शनल कंट्रोल लैंग्वेज, इसमें क्या क्या होता है? कमिट, सॉरी, रोल बैक. एंड डेटा क्वेरी लैंग्वेज, ये सिंपल सेलेक्ट होता है. डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज को हम लोग DDL भी बोलते हैं. डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज को हम लोग DML बोलते हैं. एंड देन ये होता है, राइट? सो I'll stop here, guys, right? And in next class we will try to learn about each and every, like किस तरीके से क्रिएट किया जाता है टेबल, किसे ड्रॉप किया जाता है, ऑल्टर, ट्रंकेट कैसे किया जाता है, मैनिपुलेट कैसे किया जाता है डेटा एंड ऑल. ओके, श्योर. थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर योर टाइम. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.